So we saw like what are the text-based content, audio-based content, uh, image, and the video-based content. Now let's come to animation. So in animation, again, there are two types of animation they can use. So animation is more like if the teacher wants to create an interactive video. Now generally, if you are recording a video, and if the video is like one dimensional, it might become boring. So they can add many creative elements within the video to make it more engaging. So for that they can use animation. So one of the common animation tool that they can use is PowerPoint presentation. Again, they can add transitions and all that, and this is one way they can add animation. Then other tools like Powtoons, they are again free tools. They can use to create very good animation, much better than or higher than the PowerPoint. So Doodly, Animaker, Animoto, VVideo, Powtoons, so these are all the apps they can try to create animation based videos. And if they want to go beyond the basic animation, they can go for advanced tools like editing tools or authoring tools. Let's see what these tools are. So an advanced editing tool, like they can if they want to add special effects in the videos and all, they can use this app called Camtasia. Camtasia is a paid app, so it allows you to edit, add annotations within the video, highlight certain things and all that. So this makes a video very engaging. So that is one app they can use. And another is an open source editor which is called as Vsdc. Again, Vsdc is also very easy to use, and teachers can use this to edit the videos. And one of the common apps that teachers use on mobile is KindMaster, which again they use for creating Instagram reels or YouTube, Facebook stories or something. They use KindMaster to edit the to edit videos on mobile phones. So KindMaster and VN Editor are two apps that you can suggest teachers to create videos on mobile, to edit the videos on mobile. Now let's come to the third one, which is called as authoring tools. So beyond these, so these tools whichever I discussed, like the Camtasia or other editing tools, they allow you to just add. The, they don't allow you to add. They don't allow you the users to give inputs on the video. Now, if you have taken any course on, say, Coursera, you would see that the videos are very interactive. Meaning, the video would be playing for like 2 minutes, and suddenly a quiz would pop up, and where you have to actually mark a yes or no or something like that. So that form of interactive video can be made using authoring tools. So there are two famous authoring tools for that. It's called iSpring and Elucidate. There are also other apps from Adobe which can be used for creating the interactive videos. So this is one example of an interactive video. So as you can see, the video is playing, and then suddenly around like in the fourth or fifth minute, they have a question, and as a student, you have to answer this question, and the video will change its path accordingly. So basically, these authoring tools are to create those learning paths. So this is also one form of content that teachers can actually use. So authoring tools like Scrum and Tincan are the formats in which these videos come in. So this type of videos are also very good for making interactive videos.